Good evening, everyone. So we need to click on the link to start our test. For this, you need to click on the link and then AFSET link will open. This test is based on CEFR benchmark, which is equivalent to TOEFL and IELTS. We are following benchmark and syllabus of TOEFL and IELTS levels, so please click here and then go for take a free test. Click on take a free test. After that, you can see here in front of you 15-minute quick check. So click on start 15-minute check. You can see here start 15-minute test. Click on this. Click on this. If you click on this, your test will start. It will take time, but it will start. It's starting. My net is slow, so it's taking time, but it will definitely start. You can see audio check. It's asking to check your audio. Play.
This is an audio check. If you can hear this message, please proceed to the task.
Then, if you can hear the sound, click on yes, continue to test. After clicking on yes, you will read 10 sentences. So you're going to read 10 sentences here, and there are some options. All questions are optional. You need to click on this. So here you can see one more thing which I want to show by brush. You can see there is a timer. You can see timer is going on, and in each question you can see there are options. You can click, you can read the sentence first. After reading, click on the correct answer. If you are done, then click on this next button. Okay, then click on next. Go to next. Okay, so you'll click on next and then you'll move forward with that. I hope you understood. So this is the way of taking test. It's very easy.